So if you're still confused about bride, bribed, peered, bird, let's dive deeper into more confusing words. Pride, a feeling of confidence in yourself.
Pride.
To bride.
Bride means a woman about to be married. So pride and bride sound very similar, which can be confusing.
A friend of the bride or a groom.
The unlucky bride.
I give you the bride and groom.
Bribed means to give money or a gift to someone illegally to do something for you.
I bribed the Minister of Health.
You bribed my parents in jail.
Beard is the hair that grows on a man's face.
But this is a very nice fake beard.
I went off and grew a beard,
And the last one is bird. Here are some examples of birds: parrot, eagle, pigeon.
Find the bird.
It's that bird.